Thank you. My name is Terje Skotheim. I'm the founder and the CEO of Lightsense. We're based in Tucson, Arizona, a little further away than most of the companies on the panel, I understand. We have developed a path-breaking optical technology platform that we believe will make a difference in solving some of the most pressing problems in public health, namely the opioid epidemic and the coronavirus pandemic. For both of these, it comes down to finding accurate and cheap technology for testing at point of care. For illicit drugs, we have highly inadequate detection technology. The leading products, like the one from Thermo Fisher, produces a lot of false positives and negatives. It's easily fooled, and it's expensive, and the law enforcement just does not like it. Now, for pathogen detection, the typical DNA detection is slow. Sometimes it takes days and expensive. And other techniques rely on drawing blood, which requires a clinical setting and is not suitable for points of entry like airports and sporting events. So, but from an optics technology point of view, the technical challenges for the two cases are and both can be solved by specific implementations of the Lightsense miniature spectrometer platform, which is an optical sensor. And the picture of our first product, which is a methamphetamine detector, is shown on the right. It is the size of a smartphone and fits neatly in the pocket. It's rugged and it's a simple point and shoot instrument. We have that under test with law enforcement and the Border Patrol, and they very much like it. Now, in both cases, we can detect the substance with high sensitivity and accuracy and at low cost. Our technology is not fooled. We can really find a needle in a haystack with this technology. Now, over the last 10 years or so, the principles of Lightsense have developed unique and proprietary technology in microsystems, or MEMS, which are systems on a chip, that allowed us to shrink the large and expensive tabletop instruments that require skilled technicians to operate, down to small, rugged, and low-cost miniaturized versions that can operate in the field by untrained personnel and give instant information. Technology is protected by 10 patents so far, and patent applications and more are being filed continuously. So we're addressing large and growing markets. For illicit drugs, most of the current $400 million market for handheld detectors is dominated by Thermo Fisher, but that market is really only at the very beginning. This hasn't been on the market for very long. For point-of-care detection of pathogens like the coronavirus, we have not fully determined the extent of that market, but I don't think I'm sticking my neck too far out when I claim that it would be in the billions. So, in summary, we're serving large and growing markets with the proprietary technology based on unique science, and this is a technology that we completely own and control. And is driven by a seasoned and experienced team with all the requisite experience from both multiple startups and large companies alike. We have been around the bend before, and we know how to do it right the first time. Lightsense is an early stage company, is substantially self-financed up to this point. But now that we have launched our first product, we are changing gears, and we'll have a need for more capital to take advantage of these opportunities. So this year, we're looking to raise in the $2 to $4 million range, and more later. Now, for an exit, Lightsense in 3 to 4 years should be an attractive acquisition for a number of companies in this space. And so with that, I thank you for your listening, and Tian Wong and his outstanding team for this opportunity and orchestrating this event with over 300 participants, which is pretty amazing. Thanks.